scissors have gone.
Just wrapping paper.
Just carrot.
Yeah, but where are the scissors? Who has them?
Just carrot.
I don't know, but I want to know where the scissors are. What in the world?
It's one of those new DVD players.
Oh, it's a PlayStation.
Hell, now something else I have to learn how to operate. Oh, Jennifer.
Oh, wow. Food flick.
Show us how.
Oh, wow. That's from Mom?
Yeah. Do you like it?
Jordan.
This is my gift to me.
Thank God.
We couldn't let it go on too much longer with that face.
I was like, are you kidding me?
This is my main Christmas gift.
I'm so good. Look, I can't handle that damn phone. I mean, a phone. And then to hand me something like that, you gotta be crazy.
I was even going, are you nuts?